Hey, welcome back, friends, to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and we are continuing with the 12 Weeks of Christmas series. And we are almost done with this album, ladies. I can't believe it. We got to decorate the cover today, and the sides, and then the back. But I wanted to show you real quick what I put on the 2-inch spine. I went ahead and done that paper here, and then I done the same paper in the other tie back area. Okay, and I just cut it like this one's 1/2 inch, so I think I went 3 notches below 1/2 inch. Just a second, let me see. So 1, 2, about 3/8 of an inch is what I done here. And then seven-eighths of an inch here. And when I put these on, ladies, I use Scrappin tape. I don't mess around with the ATG gun putting this on. I want this to stick. So I use Scrappin tape. And then the other one, I done the same thing. Okay? And I did stick that. I went ahead and done the black piece. I think it was just fine. And I think I also done, was it the back of this one? Yes, the back of that one right here, ladies. Okay, and I did leave this open. Okay, pretend this is a photo. I didn't leave it all the way open, but I left it to where you could stick a halfway decent photo back behind it. Okay, I just stuck down that end down here. All right, so let's get started on the front album. And it depends, ladies, if you leave your album like this, like how I have mine, I went with a dark. Now, if I would have left my album like this, I don't know if I would have left it with a dark. I probably would have went with a lighter color. Okay, let me get this one flipped for you. See how dark that is? I probably would have went with a lighter color. Okay, so it just depends on how you want your album to sit, because you can go either way on it. Okay, so I went with the darker color. Okay, so let's work on the album. So to work on the album, I'm going to keep it open. I want more of a flatter surface to work with, okay? So this is the front, and like I said, I wanted this camera. I have saved this from the very beginning, ladies, because I want to use this. So it's 11. Now my front covers, I do my measurements just a little bit different. The album measures 11, so normally I would have cut it at 10 3/4, but I'm going to go 10 7/8. Okay, on my covers, I cut them just a hair longer than I would if it was a page. Okay, so 10, let's see. I need to make sure where the, okay, I'm okay where that's cut. Okay. Now, on the side horizontal, I've got 8.5. So I'm going to cut it at 1, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 4/8. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 4/8. I'm going to double check that because I don't have another piece of this, ladies. 8.5, so just one notch under 8.5. Okay. I do not want to cut this wrong because I have no more of this paper. And I think I want a little bit more. Well, I'm deciding if I want more or less of the camera is what I'm deciding on. I'm going to take a little bit off this camera side. And I think I'm going to take off about 3/4 of an inch, ladies. Okay, so now I'll do my 8. So that's something when you're decorating, you want to look at what's going to be in view, okay? Because I wanted a little bit more of this white to be here, this part here. Okay, so there's that. And I think I want the black. I usually try to stick a darker color on the back. And I do have this left. Nope, I don't like that. Sorry, ladies. Let me grab my sheet of paper. There's a black that I want to be on the back of this. Usually on the back, I will usually try and put a darker color if I can. If, you know, because it's not always possible. So I'm going to cut this at 8 4/8. Okay. And then I want 10 7/8. Because my covers, I always cut just a little bit longer. It's just something I've always done. It adds a little bit more stability to your album. Okay, so I have that. Now, in the middle, I really think, do I have... I think I want 2 pieces that will coordinate, and, you know, be right beside each other. So, if I remember right, it's, oops. So, let me take it from, I'm going to take it from this side. I think I went 3/4 of an inch. Okay, I'm going to cut my other piece 3/4 of an inch. Alright. Hopefully that should do us. So let's see what we got. I really like that, ladies. I do. That's what I'm going with. Okay, so these need to be cut down to 10 7/8, just like our paper. Okay. 10 7/8. Okay, I like that. I really like that. All right, now let me see what I've got here. I know I wanted this. Be where you want to be. So I need to cut this out because I had that from the very beginning that I wanted that in my album or on the cover. So let's cut this out. And I'm probably going to have to split it, but that's all right. That's okay if we have to do that. Okay, I'm going to split it, be where you, and split it in between there. All right. So I think I want that up there. I want this down here. And I want that one sticker. I don't know why. That has caught me from the very beginning. Life is a journey. I want that somewhere on this cover. All right. So I want to add a little bit of color to this. So let me cut a strip. Let's try an inch. All right. I just want a little bit of color somewhere on this cover. So if this is that way, I think I want that to be the whole width. I like that. And that over here. All right. Let me look through my scraps over here. Surely I can come up with something that I want. Nope. Nope, too light. That wouldn't be too bad. I'm just looking at a bunch of these strips that I have cut over here. Nope, that makes it too busy. How about... Nope, that makes it way too busy. Way too busy. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Dang. Well, maybe. I know, I'm still digging through my scraps over here, ladies. See what I can find. I got all kinds of little 1-inch, 2-inch strips. Not all kinds, but quite a few. But nothing that suits... Oh, wait a minute. Let's look at this. I'm not liking that either, ladies. I mean, it's not bad. Okay, so that is almost a square one. So if that were to go right here, that might not be too bad. Hoping this strip was a little bit bigger. Would that make a difference? Nope, we don't want that. I hate to cut the strip, but we're going to. I want to try it, ladies. So this is an inch. So if we go half an inch, let's see, 3/4. Let's go 1 notch past a 1/2 inch, or 2 notches past a 1/2 inch. Let's see what that looks like. Nah, doesn't do it justice. Well, that didn't work. Let's try option D. Option D. What is option D, ladies? Help me out. I think I like that. Oh, duh. Here's a strip right here, ladies. Oh, my word. I didn't even see that. Let's see. 1/2 inch. And I said 2 past it. Was that 1? Okay. What did I do with it? Yes. So 2, go to 1/2 inch, and then on my cutter I'm going 2 marks past it. I gotta make sure I stay straight. Alright. Shoot, I'm not able to hold this piece. It's too short. Hope for the best. Almost looks too wide. It is. When the heck did I cut that at? Or is it the other piece I need? Okay, ladies. I have lost my marbles. Officially lost my marbles. Okay, that goes over that. And then that can kind of go over that. And then Life as a Journey is going to go right here. Okay, that is a win, ladies. I do believe this is a win. Okay, so off camera, I will get this all attached. And the last thing that we have is our photo inserts, and our little booklets. I'll give you the measurements for those. Okay, ladies. See you in a while. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.